What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SENS ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamentals of this company and I will show you in details their Q2 earnings report. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere here at this point and I've told you that we have to break this resistance and we have to establish higher highs and higher lows. And as you can see, we broke this line just before the Q2 earnings report was released, and technically we had this formation, and let me show you that it was some kind of channel, and oh sorry, wrong tool. It was this type of channel, and basically it is a bearish channel, I have to say. And right after that, when we hit this upper resistance, we moved down eventually right after the earnings report. And what was the reason of this sell-off? Let me show you right here. As you can see, we had an estimation of earnings per share at around negative 2 cents, and revenue estimates was at the level of $2.89 million. And right here on Seeking Alpha, we have this summary. And this article says that Senseonics Q2 JAP earnings per share of negative $0.42 misses by 39 cents, and revenue of $0.43 million increased 45.4% year over year, but misses by $2.46 million. So I have to say it is quite a huge miss by revenue. And as you might know, Seeking Alpha is quite big social media, and they posted this information. But if we will take a look on their official report, first bullet generated second quarter 2021 revenue of $3.3 million. So this means this data is misleading people, and this means we might have this massive sell-off from this top to current price for about 10% during last session. Basically not last session, but it was made on extended hours. And this is the reason why we have this sell-off. So, and let's continue with their earnings report. By the way, we are on Senseonics official website, and this report was published just several hours ago on August the 9th. And let's continue with these bullets. Essentia Diabetes Care launched both a US patent assistance program, reducing out-of-pocket costs to support all diabetes patients, including the 200 million covered lives, and a direct-to-consumer digital advertising campaign to raise patient awareness of Eversense and generate new patient leads. The PROMISE study of an evaluation of the safety and accuracy of the next generation 180-day long-term implantable Eversense CGM system, demonstrating sensor accuracy MARD of 8.5 to 9.1%, was presented in June at the ATTD and ADA conference, along with the submission of the manuscript to a major diabetes journal. FDA active review continues for Eversense 180-day PMA supplement application. Raised $50 million in gross proceeds through completion of at-the-market equity offering program. The use of proceeds is intended primarily for debt service. So, as you can see, they are awaiting to approval of FDA sensor, and I have to say that it might happen in October 2021, just in a couple of months. And I have to say that this Q2 report is not so bad. Basically, they have the worst number right here. Let me show it to you. Net loss was $180.32 million or $0.42 per share in second quarter of 2021, compared to $7.52 million or $0.3 per share in second quarter of 2020. But they explain it like this. Net loss increased by $172.81 million due to a $169.43 million increase in other expenses, primarily related to non-cash accounting charges resulting from the accounting for embedded derivatives related to certain of the company financings, as well as $3.36 million increase in loss from operations. And here is the real increase. It is not so bad, but it is still there, and that's why we have negative sentiment. But they reduce marketing expenses by $1.5 million, and this decrease was primarily due to the strategic changes in their go-to-market strategy with the Essential Global collaboration. So I have to say that the main catalyst that might be for now for the price of Senseonics is the approval of their 180 days CGM system by FDA. And definitely this company will increase their sales, and definitely they increase their revenue only after 180 days system will be approved. So, and let me show you their institutional investors. As you can see, green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions, and gray rows indicate some changes in shares. And if you see negative number, this means this company reduced its position, and if you see positive number, this company is increased its position. And the latest sentiment, as you can see, is more bullish than bearish. We have new position opened by Swiss National Bank for $3.079 million, and we have basically rather good positions with the Lincoln Variable Insurance Product Trust. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? In my opinion, next trading session will be again bearish, and I have to say that this pattern, this simple zigzag is in play, and we still have the level of 0.786 as our next potential accumulation point. And for those of you who enter your position right here, it is totally okay, because we still have a possibility to hit the $2.73 price point. It is a 0.65 level, and from this point we might go higher. It is not so obvious, but it is still possible that we might have this movement. So, and for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you already know that we have several accumulation points, and our average price is below $2.5, and this means we are still in a good position, and for the long term, in my opinion, this company is still very attractive. Nothing changed fundamentally. They have rather big expenses, and they miss their earnings report, they miss the expectations, but nevertheless, fundamentally, this company is still awaiting the FDA approval of their system, and they are still working to enhance their sales. And on top of that, in a matter of couple of years, they will launch next product. It is a full year CGM system. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. We have to break this lower support in order to achieve lower accumulation targets. If we will bounce from this level, we might have one more leg to the upside, and then we have to break this resistance. If we will break it, this pattern will be invalidated and we will remain bullish. But if we will break this support at the level of around $2.95, this means we definitely might see lower levels, and it will be your next potential buying opportunity for this stock. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!